The skating rink rents 184 pairs of skates in a month. How many pairs of skates does the rink rent in 4 months? I'm combining, and I know that I have 184 4 different months, so that's 184 4 times. So my equation is 184 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 1 is 33. And 1 times 4 is 4, plus 3 is 7. So then what I will do after I complete this equation is I'll look at my bubble and make sure that I'm mindful of place value. On my test, I can mark the place values as hundreds, tens, ones, and then tenths and hundredths. There is no decimal in this answer, so it is not necessary to use these place values. You could put zeros in there, but it's not necessary. I do have a 7 in the hundreds place, a 3 in the tens place, and a 6 in the ones place. Difficult to see gray on gray. But then you will, of course, shade in your numbers that correspond. And once you've done this then and you go to your bubble sheet, you will not want to label this on your bubble sheet as the computer reads that and may count it as an error. So you'll want to just put your numbers in the boxes above the bubbles and make sure you carefully select your bubbles.